These bulbs are round my Bramley apple. Now I repotted that into a mega pot, 100 and something litres. I did it myself last year. And then I bought the Narcissi and Daffys from the local supermarket. You used to get 100 in a bag and now I think it was 30. Same price. So they're all coming up. I put anemones there, but some of the double snowdrops are going to go in here. And I've managed to rescue 4 of the winter aconites, which were dying. Listen to the birds. Oh, there's a wee fight there. That's fun. I'll show you when it's all happening. Right. Bird fight. Girl fight. Bird fight. I wonder what they're fighting over. You hear the noise? That's some of them have sloped off. Yep. I love that.